Okay, so this is going to be a short video, but the last topic we're going to look at in radicals is the inverses. So we're going to be talking about one-to-one relationships too and checking to see if inverses are one-to-one, to see if it's a function. But we're really going to be focusing on finding the inverse. So to find the inverse, you'll have a function written as like f of x equals something. So you're going to rewrite it as y equals that same function, because then we're just going to switch our x and our y's and then solve to get that new y by itself, and that is going to be your inverse. So we're just going to see an example of it. So we have f of x equals negative 2 over 5x plus 1. So it's going to be y equals negative 2 over 5x plus 1. We're going to switch our x and our y. So x equals negative 2 over 5y plus 1. And we're going to solve to get that y by itself. So we're going to subtract 1. I'm going to rewrite it on the other side. So negative 2 over 5y plus 1 equals x. We're going to subtract 1. So negative 2 over 5y equals x minus 1. And we're going to multiply that whole thing by 5 over negative 2. So that's going to cancel out our fraction. We're left with y equals negative 5 over 2 times x minus 1. So you could either leave it like that or distribute that in. So negative 5 over 2x plus 5 over 2. And then replace this y with f to the negative 1 of x. That's our symbol for inverse. So this would be our inverse of negative 2 over 5x plus 1. So we're going to be practicing this as our last thing with radicals, so come to class with any questions you have.